This is your test 3.2 review. You'll have this test this week. Good luck. The first thing we're going to do is linear transformations on the first 6 problems. We did this before Thanksgiving. Okay, so on this one right here, you need to remember that g of x is going to be our new line. It's going to equal to a positive or negative a. This is our slope. And then it's going to have an f, x minus c. C is going to move it left or right. And remember it's minus, so it's going to be opposite. And then plus d, and the d moves it up or down. And remember your slope is going to be a vertical stretch if it's greater than 1, and it's going to be a vertical compress if it's less than 1. Okay, and the negative right here would reflect across y-axis. Okay, so we have to do 1, 2, 3, 4 things to the line. Okay, now then on the graphs, you're not going to move it left or right. So the graphs are going to be pretty easy. We're just going to change the slope and move it up or down. Okay, so on this one right here, our b, we're going to get our mx plus b. Our b is what? 1, 2, 3. And if we get our slope, it's going to be this grid point and this grid point. So I'm going up 3 over 4, agree. So my slope is 3 over 4. So my equation would be y equal 3 over 4x plus 3. The 3 over 4 is a vertical compress of 3/4, and the plus 3 is up 3 units. Piece of cake. Okay, right here, our b is equal to -1, and the slope is going down 1 over 4 and up 1 over 4 right here. So down 1 over 4, down 1 over 4, right? So our slope is -1 over 4. That would make our equation y equal -1 over 4x minus 1. So the negative is a reflect across the y-axis. The 1/4 is a vertical compress of 1/4. And the -1 is going to be down 1 unit. That is what happened to the parent function. Okay, let's do 3 and 4. So the negative right here, step 1, that's a reflect across y-axis. The 4 over 3. 4 over 3 is more than 1, so it's a vertical stretch of 4 over 3. The plus 7, the opposite of plus 7 is a minus 7 in it. So that's going to be left 7 in it. So 3 is left 7 units. And step 4 is down 1 unit. Okay, we're going to do number 4. The negative right here, the first thing, step 1, that's a reflect across y-axis. The 4 is more than 1, so that's going to be a vertical stretch of 4. The opposite of -3 is a positive 3 in it. So positive 3 on the x-axis is right 3. So it's going to go right 3 units. And step 4, I'm going to put it right here. The plus 8 would be up 8 units. Piece of cake. You just got to remember these 4 steps. This reflects it across the y-axis if it's negative. The A is either going to be a vertical stretch or a vertical compress. The C moves it left or right, but you have to do the opposite of the direction. And the D moves it up or down.